Good morning to all. In this video, we will try to understand Euclid's division lemma, theorem 1. Theorem 1 says, let a and b be any two positive integers, then there exist unique integers q and r such that a equal to b into q plus r, where r is more or equal to 0 and less than b. Given a is dividend, b is divisor, q is quotient, bq is product of divisor and quotient, r is remainder. Therefore, a equal to bq plus r. Okay, a equal to bq plus r. Dividend equal to product of divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now again I am just putting the Euclid's division lemma theorem 1 for your reference. Now I will try to explain you. All the things are given only in variables. I will give the values in integers and try to make you understand. I have taken a equal to 4 here, b equal to 2. So 2 2's are 4. Therefore quotient is 2, product of divisor and quotient is 4. The remainder now is equal to 0. You can see here, if a equal to bq, that is 4 is equal to 4, remainder equal to 0. Therefore case 1, a equal to bq, then remainder equal to 0. Dividend a equal to divisor b into quotient q, then remainder r is equal to 0. Case 1 says a equal to bq means r is equal to 0, remainder is 0. Again I am writing the Euclid's division lemma for your reference. Now again I will try to substitute the values in integers for the given variables. I am taking a equal to 5, divisor is 2, 2 2's are 4. So therefore quotient is 2, bq is 4, remainder is equal to 1. Now here you can see a is 5, bq is 4. Therefore a is more than bq. Therefore we have a remainder here. So case 2, if a is more than bq, then r is more than 0 and less than b. Dividend a is more than divisor b into quotient q, then remainder is more than 0 and less than divisor. Now I will try to explain you more because you must have to understand the concept very clearly. So I will just try to give you more examples. Now you can see here, in case 1, a equal to 4, divisor is b, 2 2's are 4, remainder is equal to 0. If a equal to bq, then remainder is 0. Again I take a equal to 5, divisor is 2, 2 2's are 4, remainder is 1. Because a is more than bq, remainder is equal to 1. Now I take a equal to 6, 2 3's are 6, remainder is 0. Therefore, whenever we have divisor value 2, remainder cannot be more than 2. It can be only 0 or 1. So I think you understand now what does the Euclid's division lemma say. R is more than 0 or equal to 0, and also it is less than the value of the divisor. So because here divisor is 2, r is 0 or 1. It is not more than 1. A equal to 4, 5, 6. I have taken the integers here. B equal to 2. Therefore r is equal to 0, 1, where r is equal to and more than 0 but always less than 2, the divisor. Okay. Now I will show you some more examples. Suppose I take a equal to 15, divisor is equal to 5. 5 3 is 15, r is equal to 0. If a equal to bq, r is equal to 0. If I take a equal to 16, 5 3's are 15, remainder is 1. If a is more than bq, remainder is always there. Here it is 1. If a equal to 17, 5 3 is 15, remainder is 2. If a is 18, 5 3 is 15, remainder is 3. If a is 19, 5 3 is 15, remainder is 4. If a is 20, 5 4 is 20, remainder is 0. Now you can see here, divisor is 5, remainder is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, again 0. It is never more than 5 or equal to 5. Okay. So b equal to 5 means remainder will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, where r is more than equal to 0 and always less than 5. This is what Euclid's division lemma theorem 1 says. A equal to B into Q plus R, and R is always more than equal to 0 and less than B, the divisor. Note, the remainder is always less than the divisor. If R equal to 0, then A equal to BQ, so B divides A. Similarly, if B divides A, then A equal to BQ. Generalized form of Euclid's division lemma. If A and B are two integers, then there exist unique integers Q and R such that A equal to BQ plus R, where R is more and equal to 0 and less than B, where B is positive integer. Euclid's division lemma. It's a simplified version of the long division process that you were performing for division of numbers in earlier classes. Lemma is an auxiliary result used for providing an important theorem. It is usually considered as a mini theorem. Now here I have summarized the whole Euclid's division lemma. Theorem 1 says let A and B be any two positive integers, then there exist unique integers Q and R such that A equal to B into Q plus R, where R is more and equal to 0 and less than B, where A is dividend, B is divisor, Q is quotient, R is remainder. Case 1, A equal to BQ, then R equal to 0. Case 2, A more than BQ, then R is more than 0 and less than B. Thank you. Watch next video 2.3 Euclid's division algorithm, page number 40.